wala na ang inyong former vocalist for the longest time naman, si Jinky. Parang she had an interview where she said nga ba o she was asked na hindi niya pwedeng kantahin yung mga songs ng freestyle. Is that true, and why?
Yeah, there's a legal impediment on her, legal restriction on her to, and she knows, kasi when she sells herself for the show, she sells herself as freestyle. Even ongoing, that's happening up to now. Her producers in Canada, from what we verified, they advertise her as freestyles vocalist.
Kasi nga doon siya nakilala. So,
But
pero
more accurately, it should be former freestyle, because you're not the vocalist. Freestyle exists now, and you're not its vocalist. Yun lang naman. But the way that kasi she sings songs that I wrote so it lends to confusion, diba? I mean, let's say kunwari, let's say in the case, I'm assuming Arnel Pineda is my friend. He's the singer of Journey, but he would never do a show on his own saying that he's Journey, right? Ganun lang yun. And but they sell the show.
So, parang ano na
as
din
if
to,
it's
parang
her
out of
song.
respect na rin. Parang, would you
It
say?
should be respect.
Pero ganun ba talaga ang senaryo sa mga band na, let's say, like the vocalist or one of the members na nawala?
Hindi
should
naman,
not-
but if kasi you know naman what you're doing. You know, I mean, I will give her credit enough to say that she knows what she's doing. But and I think it's not her. I think anyone who's doing that to anybody else, it's not, number one, it's not nice. Number two, it's not right. And number three, evidently, it's not legal. It's
may legal process
May-
talaga.
may legal-
Pero it done na. Tapos na yung
because I own
you own the
the
music.
trademark. Those are my songs. I wrote those songs. So when you're selling it as yours, it's wrong because it's mine and it's ours to do. Yes, you were the original singer of it. Cover it if you want before. But kasi the way that they promote it is like she's freestyle.
Freestyle, okay.
And I'm gonna sing this. She sing Before I Let You Go, so slow this time, etc. Diba? I mean, there's where it becomes tricky. It becomes tricky because you're laying claim to something that still exists in your absence, and you should not. Forge your own way. You're good. You sing, so sing. Why don't you release new songs?
Write your own.
Write new songs and promote those songs, and you can say at any given time, because it's a fact, you can say, hi, I have a show, please come to her. The producers can say, please support our show, we have a show on this date, this city, etc, whatever, wherever, however. It's gonna feature former freestyle vocalist.
Okay lang, of course.
Because that's true. But if you say it's gonna feature freestyle vocalist, that's not true. The freestyle vocalist is me and my bandmates. That's freestyle now. So you can't say that you are that now. You were that. So advertise correctly. There's also truth in advertising kasi it's really a responsibility by the advertiser. No?
Pero may question ako, yung bang mga kanta, like for example, you wrote the song, you, pwedeng you sang it also, and then some other artists, they will perform it, or cover it.
No problem.
No problem.
There's no, like, I can sing
Yun
a
nga din,
Martin
kaya
song.
ngayon nga yung tanong ko. So si Jinky, if
Alam-
ever lang,
No,
na
but-
i-cover niya, hindi pwede.
Because it doesn't happen that she's discovering it. Ang nangyayari ay, ang pagbenta ng shows niya is she's the artist.
Yes. And this is still part of the band or the group.
It's not. They know what they're doing.
Okay.
You know, I leave it at that. It's just, we're all free to do what we want to do, but there are repercussions on what we do. You know, in all cases, in every scenario, not just music, not just with songs and freestyle songs. Lahat, labas natin. Tayo pwedeng gawin, gusto natin gumawa ng kalokohan or hindi kalokohan. It's up to us. But there are results. You know, and I think it's not right to it's not right to take advantage of somebody else's work, especially currently how hard we're working for this brand, and then you're gonna lay claim to the name when you can't even use the name Freestyle without, because it's mine. You can't say that it's yours to use. Nah, I'm gonna advertise myself as Freestyle. Kasi anyway, advertise yourself properly as former.
So kung magayo, walang problema yun. Because that's the truth.
Because that's the truth. Balibalik ka rin ng mundo.
Oo nga,
yun.
correct.
Diba?
You cannot erase
Pero
it naman.
balibalik ka rin mo rin ng mundo, walang katotohanan na singer ka ng freestyle na yun. Diba?
Okay.
Ganun din, much in the same way.
Okay.
So it's just really a matter of respect and also integrity. Because if I were in her shoes, I wouldn't ride on the hard work of somebody else just so I can sell myself. I would rather work hard.
So ngayon naman, wala naman na kayo nababalitaan na she's still using it or she's still...
That was an ongoing recent few shows na ganun pa rin.
Ganun pa rin. Okay. So
That's what we
hindi
heard from
nagkukross
people in
ang
Canada.
landas nyo? Since na nagkaroon ng separate ways? Hindi nagkukross ang landas nyo?
On occasion, I think once, but not. I didn't see her. But we were at
Kumbaga parang nandun lang
a common event, a wedding.
Okay. Then another and last question ko na. Uso ngayon yung mga reunion. Like Sex Bomb, di ba? Became phenomenal. I think she was also asked kung she's ready or to have a reunion with, of course, freestyle group. Parang in time. Parang ganun yata yung sagot niya. So, what about you guys?
No.
It's a plot, no?
It's we had a good run. We had a great run. And
Yes.
and you know, we put our mark together, all of us, no. We were fortunate enough. Timing was incredible, I guess.
Yes.
It was when wala pa yung piracy, nag-start kami. Kaya wala kaming kalaban na piracy nung
Talaga
nag-start
ba?
kami.
Wala pang piracy?
Nung first, yung piracy became a problem nung second album. So,
So, 2000 na pala talaga ang piracy?
Yes.
2000 mga
1999,
ano na.
ganyan. Eh, 98 kami nag-start.
Okay, okay.
Right before nag-start.
Talaga ba? Totoo yan? Galing nga.
Pero, sapul na rin, na-pirate na rin yun.
Of course,
when
yes.
we released, hindi pa siya problema. By the time yung second album was...
Pero kahit na meron na, medyo ano pa
Pero
yun,
ibig sabihin,
controlled.
swerte rin kami. Kasi imagine if you were a new artist, tapos kalaban mo na yung piracy, hindi ka pa nakakapag-release ng kung ano, nasa kalye na yung...
Ngayon hindi na piracy, ano na ang kalaban ngayon?
AI.
Online.
No, but AI can be a friend or a foe. It depends on the user. Really. So, we'll see. Pero yung going back to what you're saying, the reunions, you know, we'll see. You know, if it's meant to happen, if it's meant to happen, it'll happen. I can't say, but I'm not.
Kumbaga right now that I'm asking,
Right
it's really
now,
a no.
If it's really
Someone will
if
offer-
you say, can you? I've had like countless offers.
I'm sure.
We've had a lot of inquiries. Tour dito, tour pwede kasama sa inyo lang. Maybe not because my priority is this. My bandmates. I don't want to relegate them to something else that they're not at this time. At this time, they are freestyle, and I want our work to speak for ourselves, not just for me. And kami, we've done it naman eh. I mean,
Oo naman.
there's always a chance to reunite. There's always an opportunity to reunite. And there's always that prerogative siguro, di ba? But again, timing. I don't think, you know, I want to derive, every time I go on stage kasi I look forward to derive joy out of being on stage, to be with my mates, to be with every guest. It's a joyful endeavor for me, a joyful commitment, you know. And I think at this point, I don't think that's gonna be joyful for my part. It's just, you know, I'm in touch with my other bandmates. My cousin's my cousin.
Of course.
Si Carlo, we're in touch. He's in Australia. We remain in touch and happily so. Si Nikki is here. He's very busy with his musical responsibilities and advocacies in Samar, where he hails from. we're still very close. You know? We say hello to each other when we chat and miss you. Ganon, si Jared, I think he's managing things also in his life. And ganon lang yun. So maybe if we'll reunite, but I don't see it at this point yet. Kasi maraming mga nag-reunite pero they don't have new songs. So it's all a celebration of old songs. So if we reunite, what are we gonna do? All the old songs. But we have new songs that we also perform with the old songs. So I don't know how that's gonna.
Kumbaga in short, okay na muna kami. Okay.
In short, yeah.
Ako na nagsabi. Okay na kami.
In short, ox na.
Okay na kami. Ayan. Okay. Thank you and congrats. And invite po kayo sa
Yes,
for the
yes,
13.
Well, number one, thank you for being with us. Thank you sa oras mo na nalaan mo for us, and thank you for joining us.
Yep.
You know, to partake of this food and in conversation. Sa mga kaibigan natin at hindi kaibigan, mga fans, old and new, kung wala rin naman tayong gagawin, February 13 po, Valentine's. We have a Valentine's show na pinaghahandaan namin ngayon ng Neo Colors at ni Gigi Delana. Of course, freestyle. At the MOA Arena, it's our first time there. First time. At very, very excited kami and very, very excited din kami na makasama kayong lahat sa pag-date. Parang it's a date, it's a Valentine's
date,
At
yeah.
ngayon kasi ang masaya kasi pag nag-Valentine's date, kahit sa mga shows namin, mga nagde-date po, hindi naman necessarily romantic. Whole families spend dates together. Yun ang gandang makita, nakasama yung mommy, daddy, then the kids, and maybe their friends, maybe the girlfriend of one, magkakasama sila lahat, and I think that's a beautiful thing. And this is that kind of show where it's very friendly to everyone. You know, it's a family-friendly thing. Mag-time machine tayo. Balik tayo sa kung ano-ano mga sulok ng iba't ibang mga points in time in our lives. Hindi lang kami, kayo rin. At tingnan natin, revisit natin yung mga alaala natin. Let's see, through music, and let's sing together.
Of
That's
course.
the whole point is we want the